Welcome back to 10 Line Story channel. Today topic is Hailstorm. During a thunderstorm, when a balls of ice known as hailstones fall from the sky is called hailstorm. It is a weather pattern. Hailstone can range in size from small pellets to large balls. Hailstorms can cause significant damage to property, vehicle, crops. It causes serious agriculture loss. If you find the essay is good, then please do like, share and subscribe 10 Line Story channel to see English and Hindi videos. Let's move to the next point. These are most common during the late spring and summer months. Conditions favorable for hail formation include strong updraft, high humidity. Research suggests that climate change could influence the frequency and intensity of hailstorm. During a hailstorm, it is advised to seek shelter. Doppler radar can identify the presence of hail within a storm. So keep watching 10 Line Story channel. See you next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.